Let's try vlogging today, shall we? I am not a vlogger. I am starting this whole thing. It's going to be awkward. We're going to work through it together. But I have a few things I need to do today. So I am in the car, as you can see, and I need to get gas. I'm not going to vlog that. I need to stop by Academy and Ulta. And then if I have time before we have to leave, I'm going to try to go see a Parade of Homes tour. If not, I'll have to wait till tomorrow when I have my whole day is all around Parade of Homes, which is one of my favorite things. And then we're going to a football game. So come with me. Well, that was very uneventful. Trying to do this with one hand because I don't have you in a stand right now. But I went to Academy, and I really hate this about this area. We have nothing but schools here. Like, this is the Raleigh area. So when I go into a store to look for fan gear and you only have NC State, boo, or UNC Chapel Hill, fine. But we're not in Chapel Hill. Technically, sure, NC State, but boo. So I'm at Dick's now, and Dick's is right next to Ulta. So I'm going to kill two birds, one stone, save some gas. I did get gas. But yeah, so now I'm going to go into Dick's first and then Ulta. By the way, can I add that you are getting this is all makeup free. Makeup free. Not pleased because I'm out of makeup. I'm out of my foundation. So that's why I'm at Ulta to begin with. I think that it's probably going to be just best for me to switch my camera from front to back right now because I don't have a way of seeing myself when it's the other way around. But while I'm here and trying to figure out what my next step is going to be, Dick's did not have what I was looking for. Dick's had lots of course, UNC, NC State. They even had a few ECU things. Go Pirates. They had plenty of Duke stuff, but not Central. But I did pop into Ulta because I needed to re-up a few things. I really don't like spending money on things like this, but I also don't like to be out of things. And so I am out of my Fenty. This is the skin tint. It's a very light to medium coverage. I'm in shade 17. I really want to up my full coverage, which is my preferred foundation is the Lancome Tinted All foundation, but I only buy that when it's on sale. I did have a coupon today for Ulta, which is why I went to Ulta and not Sephora. But even if I still didn't like that price. But I did get, I re-upped my, I don't even think you can see this. This is the, my Fresh Soy face wash. I could probably just show you this when I'm at home because it'd be easier to see. So let me just share the rest of it at home because I'm feeling self-conscious. There's all these people parking around me, so I'm feeling some kind of way. I completely have forgotten to, introduce myself in case you're new here. Hi there, hello, my name is Aria. This is my first vlog. I don't know what I'm doing. However, I wanted to start this little process to have a little bit more content. My normal content is home decor, seasonal decor hauls, things like that. So hopefully you like this kind of content. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my community. Now let's go to Target. I have been looking for this Tree Hut scrub in the pumpkin spice latte. It smells so delicious. I cannot wait to take my shower tonight. And I wanted to show you a few of these things. Number one, the pumpkin cheesecake, those Pepperidge Farm cookies, so good. I had those last year. They are delicious. I did not get them again this year because it took me forever to eat them and they're just too good. But what do you love this pumpkin spice? I've already had the Oreos. I told you that before. And when it's Halloween candy time, I like to get some for the kids, mostly Jordan because he's the one who's here. Brianna's at school. She's in college. And so I went ahead and got him the Airheads because he loves those. I was going to get him these Nerds clusters, but then I saw my favorite gummy bears and I was like, I think I'll get the gummy bears for myself. pretty. Let's come look in this house. I don't know why he parked so close to me. Maybe he thought that I was a realtor and I wasn't going anywhere anytime soon. But I got some skills. Let's just take a Yui. For some reason here, I was whispering. I do not know why, but I just wanted to show you what I got from Target. The apple cider scent is my favorite scent anyway. And so if you caught my clean with me and decorate in my kitchen, I was surprised that I didn't have any of that. So I finally got my hands on one, and then I smelled this one. Oh my gosh, this is the fall leaves. So, so good. I'm going to have to go back and get the spray version as well because it is so good. And then I went ahead and just got another because I'm almost out of the dish soap of the apple cider cinnamon, so I grabbed that too. And then I just want to also show that I got a couple things. I needed this caffeine. I didn't actually drink it. I needed the caffeine, but I have a headache, so I took some BC powder and made some wonderful faces that you're going to see here shortly. But now it's time for me to get ready to go and get dressed for the game. cannot find a shirt, I'm gonna let it go. I do happen to have a shirt that's in the school colors. It is a little too big for me, but we're gonna work with it anyway, and we're gonna pick up something to eat and hit the road. See?
Take a video, I'm gonna take a video.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
The time is now for your North Carolina Central University Sound.
They finally won the game today. Give him a hand. Give him a hand. They won 3-1.
Under the direction of Professor Jovan A. Wilson, it's time for the Sound Machine to soar to new heights. Drum Major Hassan Gaddy, the field is yours.
Wait.
can see, I did get my shirt. They finally did. They actually had the campus bookstore open, even though their website said they were closed. So that's good, but we did win. If you didn't catch that last little snippet, in overtime, 43-42, I believe was the score. So we dropped Brianna off at her dorm and we came on home. And so, yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully it comes out good. Fingers crossed. If so, I will continue along sharing vlogs, but just wanted to close it out. Have a good night. Oh, like and subscribe.